I have a cap to wear on my head.
I have a mask.
I also have a mask.
Hey, crazy old lady who gets insulted everywhere.
You are crazy girl. Son, make a mask for me.
Okay, Mom, I will make an Iron Man mask for my mother. First, I will make its design. My mother came and said like this, "It seems someone has made fun of her. I will make such a mask that those who made fun of my mother will not make fun of my mother again. Whoever loves their mother, please like and subscribe. And definitely write love you Maya in the comment. If you don't like and subscribe, then I will know that you don't love your mother." Friends, after working hard for many hours, I made a mask for Grandma. Grandma, here is the mask for you.
Wow, how nice it is. Now I will show them. Look at this. Now make fun of me.
Wow, how beautiful it is. Who made it?
Leave my mask.